I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
Please come in.
So Rugved, it's been 4 months, I guess, 4.5 months you've been associated with King Fitter program of
Right,
King's
right.
Hospitals, right? Yeah. So how do you feel? Like, what are the changes in your physique and overall lifestyle? How do you feel?
So the changes are quite visible. I was 120 kgs then, and now I'm 96 in 4.5 months. So the experience is pretty good. I am getting good results. I'm losing almost on an average 4 to 5 kgs a month, and that is a very healthy way to lose your weight. It is the changes which are visible in my life is that I am trying to gain the confidence which I have lost. I am trying to gain the self-esteem, which eventually, when you gain weight, you start to lose it.
Okay, so Rugved, my next question would be, what made you choose this King Fitter program? I mean, there are gyms out there and many other functional training centers where you could have lost weight and gained your results. But why did you specifically choose Kingsway Hospital and this King Fitter program for that?
Okay, so to be honest, I have tried 1 or 2 gyms before, and experience with those gyms were कि they were not professionally trained. They were like उन्होंने body बना ली and they thought कि हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. So they used to have very unhealthy diet plans जिसमें दिन में सिर्फ 2 रोटी खाओ and just eat fruits and nothing else. So eventually you start getting used to it for 2-3 days. You can do it for a week, but then you feel changes in your body. Your body starts becoming weak, and other things also come with it. Then I came to know about Kingsway Hospital. So when I read about it on the website, the package was pretty clear कि in one single package you will be getting a physiotherapist, a psychologist, a head doctor and a dietitian. So I thought कि why not all those doctors under one roof and under one single package.
So Rugved, let's talk about your diet. I know we belong to that category जिनके लिए खाना काफ़ी कुछ होता है.
Right.
We make it for our taste and all those things. But since it's a comprehensive program which also includes your nutrition, so jumping directly from that category जिसको सब कुछ खाना है, अच्छे से खाना है, to that minimal category of controlling yourself while looking at food, how do you feel exactly? क्या मतलब psychology आपने develop की उसके लिए?
So the thing is, I had a huge empire with me of 120 kgs and मुझे वो reduce करना था. So diet was the main thing कि मैं कैसे कर पाऊँगा, क्योंकि मैं मतलब खाना is life. There is nothing beyond खाना. I live to eat. So when I went there, when they started consulting me, I came to know that कि what exactly a proper diet should be. कि क्या क्या होना चाहिए, क्या नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड कम खाना इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट टू ईट इट इन अ राइट वे इज़ वॉट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. आपका डाइट में सब कुछ इंक्लूडेड होना चाहिए, जिसमें सारे प्रकार के न्यूट्रिएंट्स, सारे विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, सब कुछ होना चाहिए ताकि एक बैलेंस डाइट मिले. बट इट शुड ऑल्सो हेल्प यू इन लूजिंग द वेट विच यू पुट ऑन. अरे यार, ये बैठे बैठे बहुत ऐसे फॉर्मल इंटरव्यू टाइप फील आ रही है. तो मैंने आपके कुछ व्लॉग्स देखे, तो हम वैसे कुछ करें.
So Rugved ने हमारे vlogs देखे हैं and he doesn't want to get bored. Neither you guys want to get bored. So इसको थोड़ा सा vlogging style में करते हैं as we do it usually. So shall we proceed? अच्छा, you haven't had breakfast right now, है ना? अभी you have been waiting for me.
हाँ, बहुत देर से रुका के रखा आपने.
All right, so let's not waste time and roll towards your kitchen क्योंकि Rugved के breakfast का time हो गया है guys.
So welcome to my kitchen. This is where I create my magic and my breakfast.
अच्छा, so you created yourself or your mom helps you?
So on weekends my mom does it, but on weekdays I have to do it.
चलो, that's good.
So alright, I have already prepared my breakfast.
Oh,
So this is upma.
nice. So you're having upma today.
Right. I just hope कि you don't have any stomach infections after eating this.
अच्छा, so you have to measure it ना before eating it. So how do you manage to get मतलब ऐसा proper quantity बनाने के बाद या बनाने के पहले measure करना पड़ता है ingredients? बनाने के बाद में.
So the thing is, I have got a food scale with me. So this is it.
Okay.
So I just get my plate. So just keep it here, zero the weight, and then add 100 grams of whatever you have prepared.
Okay.
So be sure that you do not exceed the weight. थोड़ा 10-20 ग्राम चलता है.
10-20 ग्राम 30 ग्राम हो गया भाई.
हाँ चलता है, गरीब इतना भी ना खाए अभी. बस
All right, and your breakfast is ready.
Right.
चलो, that's good.
We can proceed. I'll just serve you some.
अरे नहीं, that's okay भाई. ये डाइट है, मतलब टेस्टी है, ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ. लोगों का यहाँ पे ये भी मिथ दूर होगा that you just have to eat tasteless food in diet.
नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स नॉट. उसमें टेस्टी फूड भी आता है. जैसे रेगुलर खाना है, बस थोड़ा सा आपको कैलोरीज, कार्ब्स, ये सारी चीजें, बस फ्राइड फूड नहीं खाना है. बाकी तो लगभग चीजें चलती है आपको. अच्छा ऋग्वेद, हाउ अबाउट योर एक्सरसाइज एंड अदर रूटीन्स? सो एक्सरसाइजेस की फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट जो हॉस्पिटल से हम लोग को फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट अलॉट हुआ है. सो वी गो एट हिज जिम एंड देयर वो जैसे जिस तुम लोग का बॉडी होता है, जैसे स्ट्रेंथ है, उस हिसाब से वो आपका रेगुलर रूटीन प्लान करते हैं. दे डिवाइड द एक्सरसाइजेस विद द डेज और फिर दे कीप गाइडिंग यू देयर. ओके. एंड they maintain one thing कि your posture is right. Okay. So it goes in a very scientific way. Chalo, that's good. And how about your consultations and other psychological sessions that you have with doctors? So the consultation with a psychologist is it has to happen every week. When I started the program, I was like कि मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, I'm quitting it. But the thing is कि at that particular time, the psychologist played a very important role. So I had a consultation, I had a sitting with her, and she consulted me कि देखो ये first time है, डर लगना is very possible कि ये होगा ही, but you have to eventually cope up with it because weight loss is a major problem for us right now. And she guided me in a way कि जिससे मेरा वो जो fear था वो चला गया. And it takes time. It will take a week to get you adjusted with the diet. But एक टाइम बाद ऐसा होता है कि वो बहुत यूजुअल हो जाता है आपके लिए, आपका रूटीन बन जाता है कि मतलब उसमें ऐसे कुछ नया नहीं लगता है. So my last question would be that how satisfied are you with this KingFitter program? So talking about satisfaction, I lost 4.5 kg, 24 kgs in 4.5 months. So that is pretty self-explanatory कि am I satisfied or not? Exactly. So of course I'll recommend everyone who are struggling with their weight, I'll recommend them to just have a single consultation first. And if you feel comfortable, if you feel कि हाँ this will work out for me, then you can continue. And I'm sure that the first month when you get your results, they will motivate you to continue it further until you achieve what you are aiming to. Correct. So that's great. Now let's enjoy our upma together. Right. And for the people who have been getting in trouble with weight loss, I would surely recommend you to please visit Kingsway Hospital, or you can visit on our website and also get to know what exactly is a KingFitter program, how exactly it will help you, it will benefit you to improve your lifestyle and lose weight and live like ऋग्वेद happily. Yeah. Ever after. Alright, so guys, that was ऋग्वेद Garge, one of our KingFitter member who was really satisfied with his results. He has lost 24 kgs in like 4.5 months. He was 120 before, yeah, and now is approximately 96 kgs, which is a great improvement, and I wish all the very best for ऋग्वेद, and I hope you guys are living a healthy lifestyle. But if you are not, then you know where to go.